Today's ChatEDU Check-In, the robot teacher debate. Remember to check out our ChatEDU Check-ins every Tuesday and Thursday, and check out the big show every Friday with me and Matt Mervis. This check-in comes from an article in the New York Times titled Robot Teachers, Teenagers Weigh In. Our first takeaway is that teenagers argue that while a humanoid robot can process data instantly, it lacks the emotional soul and personal connection required for actual education. Students believe that learning is a social process driven by empathy and mutual support, which a machine simply cannot simulate. The discussion makes it clear. A machine can help me understand a complicated formula, but it can't analyze the mood in the room, comfort a nervous student, or really celebrate our success, and students value that. The second takeaway is that students express concern that robots would lack the necessary authority to manage a classroom, leading to a breakdown in discipline and respect. There's also fear that replacing humans with machines would hinder the social development of younger children who learn behavior and identity from their teachers. One student says, kids wouldn't behave or listen, and it would distract the other students who do want to learn. The third takeaway is that there is a portion of the student body that sees value in AI if it functions as a tireless 24/7 assistant rather than a full replacement. They take a middle ground approach that suggests robots can handle grading or provide personalized tutoring while a human teacher focuses on the emotional and creative aspects in the classroom. One student says, I think this because a teacher can only help one student at a time, which means having a robot teacher in the room would be nice, as it could answer more questions and serve as an assistant to the teacher. This debate highlights that tension between the efficiency of a robot, but the humanness of an actual human teacher. I don't know. What do you think? Will there be robots in the classroom anytime soon? I don't think so, but we'd love to hear what you think. Drop us a review or a comment, and remember to watch the check-ins every Tuesday and Thursday and the big show every Friday with me and Matt Mervis. Bye.